So in a modern environment, an PBX system is used to manage internal communication between customers' calls and provide automated greetings, route calls to the correct departments, and ensure no call is missed through voicemail and email notification. So in this project we implemented such a system by setting up an Ubuntu Linux Server on Hyper-V. So this is a virtual machine. After installing Ubuntu, we updated all the system and installed all requests, dependencies, and then downloaded, compiled and configured the Asterisk PBX. So this service runs automatically if we log in just using the username Munna and the password. Okay, so we logged in. So this is the Ubuntu terminal. I will connect. This is the server. I just close. So for now I try to connect through SSH from PowerShell, run as the administrator. Okay, so for SSH, this is my IP, this is Ubuntu IP, and this is the username Munna @. This is the local IP. Okay, so hit enter, and the password, the server password. Okay, so we connected with the server. Now we prepared custom like files for the system for greetings. If I check this like sudo, okay, so cd this is the path. Okay, so ls. So you see this is the hold music, hold hyphen music.wav format. Okay, so basically this is the welcome greeting and hold music, like who is where copied to the path and set with proper ownership. Okay, so then configured SIP endpoints in like if I play this, okay, back sudo nano asterisk pjsip.conf, hit enter. Okay, so if I go down, So this is the SIP endpoints in pjsip.conf. Okay, for 3 extension 100 and 101, like if we go 101 and 102. Okay, so those all the configuration that I just included there, and also including authentication details like the Dialplan in extension. If I just go back, Control X, okay, extension dot config, and same as if go down. So you see this extension.config was set to handle incoming calls for this extension. This is 100, 101, 102. Okay, so this is like send the extension. Also, if unanswered, send the call to the voicemail. And okay, so those all are the configuration that's been done in the extensions.config for Dialplan. So if I go back and check the system by making calls between 2 extension, so here I just installed the soft phone and logged in with these two 100 and 101 from the micro SIP. So, and also I logged in with another extension 102 from my mobile, and if I call from mobile to this 101, so I just dial, okay, like 101 call.
Thank you for calling. Please hold while we connect you with a representative.
Okay, so it's ringing. Okay, so same as if I call 102. If I call to 102 from this extension 101.
Thank you for calling. Please hold while we connect you with a representative.
Okay, so you see it's ringing. Okay, so hopefully you guys understand. So that's all about the project. Thank you.